Okay. All right. So can see the screen right now? Can see the screen? Can okay, sorry about that. All right. Okay, thank you. So many of you replied 8, so many of you replied 8, right? So 我再重复一点哦。Okay, so 这个是 SDI index. So SDI index, basically they move in the sideway. Okay, they move in the sideway. So right now, possibly they will move in this range. Okay, 3,300s and then 3,200s. Okay, anything can happen. They may pull back, break down, or they may break through. All right, so it all depends on the bank stock, because the bank stock in Singapore is still pretty strong. So S&P 500 still downtrend, okay, but there is some good sign because the pullback, okay, can you see the pullback? The pullback is not aggressive as compared to the previous one. So hopefully, okay, hopefully they'll maintain at this level. And followed by NASDAQ 100, okay, NASDAQ 100 still downtrend, okay, and a bit weak, okay, but however, okay, they are slightly what we call that, a rebound, okay, this 2 day. So it all depends on the US interest rate and the recessions for how long, okay. So possibly the first half, all right, will be weak in the US, but we are looking forward to a second half, okay. 所以我估计的话，有可能前半年美国会会走软了哈，有可能下半年的话会开始回来，所以下半年的话有可能美国会回来了哈，所以还不确定，所以到时候我们再看 ，all right。And then followed by Hang Seng, no doubt is overbought, okay. So 如果你们有买到的话，可以套利一点点，套利一点点。So if you bought previously at the lower price, possibly you might want to take some small profit, okay. Take some small profit, okay, because overall is overbought, okay, 超卖, okay, overbought. All right, overbought means that it's time to take some profit 啦。Okay, it's time to take some profit. 所以香港股票的话，跟新加坡肯定是不一样，因为当它上的时候，它上很快，但是它跌的时候，它也是跌很快。All right, 所以它的波动是很大的，有时是10%，有时候是15%。所以如果你来不及的话，我的意思是说，你可以先考虑套利一些先 ，OK， 不然的话，它一跌，有可能你的盈利就不见掉 ，All right. So Hong Kong stock market the movement is very fast, okay. The movement sometimes it can be 10% to 15%. So if you do not manage to get out, sometimes your profit may be wiped out. So that's why I encourage you to take some profit if you can. All right, don't wait until when the big sell down, then your profit will be wiped out. All right. Can so remember what's go up it will come out 股票要记住就是它有上就有下 OK 为什么 there are some investor they want to take profit as well, so that's why 它不是一个直线的它也是会回调了Alright, so this is a Hong Kong market, okay, and then followed by mastering price action costs. These some of the testimonial for the new member. So like what I mentioned, if you know someone who have the interest in the stock market, okay, but they have no idea, okay, how to start, you might want to recommend this workshop to them, because currently still under subsidy up to 70% depending on their age. All right, and this watch list, okay, so 我们先看这些股票 right. SIA, Genting, DBS. So basically, we have a double top here, right? And then you may notice rebound and then pull back, okay? Rebound and pull back. So the support level could be somewhere around $34, okay? $34, all right? But if you look at the price is pretty high, okay? So pretty high, all right? Because why? Because the price didn't really drop, all right? Didn't really drop, okay? 所以 that's why 我跟大家说，它如果没有什么跌的话，会比较难买了哦，比较难买 ，right？ But 如果你要做短期的话，还是 OK，right？ But 如果你们做长期的话，就不用看图表了哈。如果你们以前在低点买进的话，其实你们不用担心哦。我现在所讲的就是比较短期的做法，或者是中期的做法，因为每个人的这个投资方案不一样。So everyone is unique. Some of you are looking for mid-term and short-term. Some people, they also trade short-term for bank, okay, mid-term for bank, all right? But if you are looking for short-term, okay, the support level should be somewhere around 34.40 cents, okay, 34.40 cents, right? So overall, technically, the price is overbought as well, okay, overbought. So we take a look weekly chart. 我们看一下 weekly chart 会有什么状况。Right, weekly chart. Right. So weekly chart, okay. So this is resistance. 差不多是36块是 resistance, alright, 36块是 resistance, okay. So it's depend, okay, if the price didn't pull back, okay, if the price didn't pull back, they may break through, alright. So anything can happen. May break through or break down, okay. So it's what we call an ascending triangle as well, based on the weekly chart, okay. So what about UOB? UOB 开始走软 alright. UOB 开始走软 alright. So 你短期如果你之前有买到在这边的话 alright, 这个是10月份 alright. So October period, if you still remember when the big pullback, I advise every one of you to look at the bank stock lah. Okay, if you manage to buy, okay, then you can see that the price begin to pull back. Okay, so 已经开始走软，所以如果你是中期的话，我的意思是说套利了哈。If you trade short term, okay, make sure you know what you are doing. Alright, so UOB begin to pull back. Okay, begin to pull back already. Alright, still early. Alright, still early. Alright, the pullback is still early, so it allowed you to exit lah if you are trading mid term or short term. Then OCBC. So OCBC quite surprised. OCBC, they try to break through. Right. So they try to break through. So OCBC 的话，它的图表的话相当不一样哦，相当不一样。如果你是跟这个 DBS 跟这个 UOB 比的话 ，OCBC 现在变强，比较强。So OCBC is much more stronger as compared to UOB and DBS. All right. So as long as the price maintain at this level, okay, 12块6毛 ，OK, 12块6毛的话 ，I believe okay, the momentum will continue. Okay, the momentum will continue. All right. So at least here. Okay, at least here 差不多是13块 right? If the price maintain at 12块6毛 if the price can continue to maintain at $12.60, I believe the momentum will continue until the next resistance around $13. All right. Okay, so this is bank. Okay, followed by SIA and SIA Engineering. So SIA, So SIA 已经突破 OK 5.48块哦，或者是5块半了。So 到目前为止来说，已经超买哦，算超买。可是它的 momentum， 我相信这个 momentum 有可能会继续哦，有可能会继续。Alright, so we can see that the price continue to rebound and pull back, rebound again, then pull back and rebound again, right? 所以它是会走这个上升趋势哦，它会走这个上升趋势哦，所以当然股票不是一条直线上了哦，它会 pull back 哦 pull back， 所以最近上个星期 pull back 了，所以这个星期它就开始走上去哦，有开始走上去。所以我个人认为的话，有可能这个 momentum 会继续了哦，这个 momentum 会继续 ，alright. So although it's near resistance, okay, although it's near resistance, okay, I believe this momentum will continue until probably the earning result. Okay, when is the earning result? 所以你们就要关注这个 earning result。有可能这个 earning result 的话，它一出炉，有可能它会跳空，跳空过后 ，OK， 你们可以开始考虑套利了哦。So I believe the momentum will continue until the earning report to be released. Okay, the Q4 earning report to be released. Possibly the price may gap up. Okay, possibly. Okay. So once the price gap up, you want to take profit, some profit, I think during that time you can take, all right? So the momentum is still there for airline industry, and then followed by SIA Engineering. So SIA Engineering, okay, still got potential, all right? They are moving up slowly. 所以 SIA Engineering 会比较慢哦，可是如果是 SIA 有上的话，我相信这个 SIA Engineering 也是会上。So currently they are moving up slowly as well. Right, so they are moving up slowly. So possibly this is a resistance. So immediate resistance is around $2.48. Okay, around $2.48. Right. And Genting and China Aviations. Okay, Genting 之前也是讲很多次 ，OK， 上一个星期也是讲到有可能它不会 pull back， 它会继续的涨 ，alright。So last week I did mention Genting will continue lah, they will not pull back, alright. So that's why they continue and today hit 101, okay, 101, right. So if you look at the price, they are actually hitting the resistance. They are hitting the resistance. So I believe the momentum will continue, all right, because still fresh, okay, for what we call that the entertainment industry, all right, they just begin to rebound, okay, they just begin to rebound. So 当时候讲的时候8毛2，所以到目前为止已经上了差不多23%，上了23%， all right. So the pullback is quite healthy. Okay, the pullback is quite healthy. So hopefully, they'll pull back more. Okay, before you can continue to buy. Right. So you're not sure will they pull back here? 不懂它会 pull back 到这个价位吗？9毛7或者是9毛8 right? If they pull back, then you might want to consider lah. All right. So why? Okay, because it doesn't look like the price, showing any sign of the weakness. 其实Genting这个股票这个价位你可以看到它这个图表还有这个蜡烛它不像这个走软的现象它不像这个走软的现象买家一直买进买家一直买进，所以 that's why 我估计的话，它的这个价格这个趋势会 continue to 涨continue to 涨 ，alright. So you can see the volume each time they rebound, the volume is pretty big also. The volume ，right？所以意思是说，有人买来收，有人买来收哦，他们还没有出，庄家还没有出了哦，庄家一直买进，OK，还没有出 ，alright，所以你要注意了，这个有可能会继续到next earning report as well，OK，so you might want to take note the next earning reports, Q4 earning reports to be released, okay? So one is released, I believe the price may gap out as well, okay? I believe lah, huh? But anything can happen, okay? Anything can happen, all right? So be careful also, okay? Although look, look positive, all right? So you still need to protect yourself lah, in case anything happen to the stock market, okay, ma? All right, so Genting look positive. And then followed by China Aviations. China Aviation.等一下，我开这个图表一下。Right. So China Aviation. So China Aviation 继续的涨啊，所以今天涨了差不多7%， alright， 所以上一次有讲到的话是差不多在这个价位 ，alright， 8毛钱的价位 ，right， 所以你们有买吗？ So this is the price， 你们有买吗？有买按8号一下，给我知道你们有买，按8号一下 ，alright。So the price continue, okay. When is the resistance? Okay, almost, okay, almost, alright. 所以如果你们有买的话you can take profit progressively lah, You can take profit progressively, okay. So these are the stock that you see they pull back little and they went up a lot. Pull back little, they went up a lot. Pull back little, went up a lot. Pull back little, went up a lot. Right. So this is one of the sector, China Aviations, right? So this is one of the favorite currently. 所以如果你们不了解 China Aviation 做什么的话，其实你们可以去 Google 一下，了解一下这个公司 ，right？ 所以这个公司其实它的 headquarter 是在新加坡，它的 headquarter 其实是在新加坡。OK， 如果你打开它的网页 ，alright， so you open the website, you know what they are doing. OK， so they are actually selling what we call that airline petrol. OK， airline petrol。它是卖这个电油给这个航空公司Alright, and then these are some of the product that they are selling lah. Alright. Look interesting, okay? So you can take this opportunity to understand this company, right? Because last time when we talk about China stock, is a bit scary, phobia, alright? 恐惧，你还记得吗？10年前的中国股票，很多人输钱，你们还记得吗？ So 当我讲这个 China Aviation 的时候，很多人有这个恐惧感他一直问我，可以买吗？这个公司好吗？ Right， 所以这个公司其实是不错的如果你是比这个10年前的这个中国小股的话，不能比了以前这个中国小股的话是一个 scam 来的，所以很多人的亏大钱就是在这个以前这个中国小股。Alright, so this is China Aviation, okay, and then followed by Thai Beverage, okay, food and beverage. Thai Beverage, the momentum also continue, alright. So the price is high, okay, expensive also, but do remember the X day. X day is on 3rd of February, all right? X day is on 3rd February, okay? So just take note, okay? So there's no sign of the weakness as well, okay? 它没有走软的现象，它没有走软的现象。All right, so you can see that the volume is increasing. Okay, so that means investor keep buying. Okay, investor keep buying. All right, so I think the price may break through. The price may break through. Okay, but of course, they may have some resting first before they break through. All right, so look positive. Okay, finally, Thai beverage begin to move. Okay, finally, Thai beverage begin to move. All right. 所以Thai beverage 的话的股票状况其实是不错 ，OK， 买家已经经常在11月份11月份到现在，到目前为止来说还没有看到走软的现象，所以如果你看它的蜡烛的话，小小只的蜡烛，意思是说这些买家继续的买继续的买。OK， 他们没有意识要卖出没有看到要卖出的现象 ，Alright， so it's quite positive, and then followed by Olam Group, Olam Group. So Olam went up a lot actually. Okay, quite surprised. Okay, so we talk about Olam. I think when was it? So Olam, when we talk about Olam, okay, when the price was somewhere around $1.45, $1.45, right? $1.45 是差不多是在这边。Okay, $1.45. So if you do the measurement, how many percent? 差不多是12%, right? 12%. So if you receive our broadcast, then congratulations. All right, $1.45, and then the price actually went up a lot. Okay, 12%, 12.5%, quite surprised. Okay, quite surprised. 因为Olam 这个股票我很久没有去看它很久没有去看它。可是如果看到有这个 opportunity based on the technical analysis, I always look at the technical analysis. All right, when there is a buy signal or when there is a trigger point, that's why I share with every one of you. All right. So that's why, 当你们收到这个 broadcast 的时候，其实我们背后做了很多功课花了很多时间。我也是希望说你们可以尽量的帮我们用我们的户口来 trade 啦不然的话你没有用我们的户口来 trade， 可是你们一直收到这个 broadcast 的话，有点不好意思我们也是没有力量如果你有看到有 trade 到 OK 有赚到的话，我其实要求你们用我们的户口来 trade， 所以给我们这个力量所以我们可以继续跟你们分享其他的股票。So what I mean is that if you receive this broadcast, okay, I hope that you can use our trading account to trade so that it can give us the strength, okay, to continue to do what we do best for you, to look for the opportunity. If not, we send out, then you use other people account to trade. The strength is, is not there. So I hope that you can understand. All right. And what else? IFast, okay, IFast 的话是 So what happened to IFast? IFast, they went up, but then they pull back, okay? So IFast 的话，它其实有涨可是它 pull back, all right? So the price is still near the support level. Okay, still look okay, all right? Still look okay. I think they are going to move in a sideways, all right? 有可能它要走横盘哦。So 走横盘的话 anything can happen. They can break up and also can break down. 所以你们要多加注意啦。如果它有 break down 的话，你们一定要放止损哦，记得啊。OK， 如果它有 break down 的话，一定要放止损。So look at the pattern, right? It looked like the price is going to move in the sideway. All right. So when they move in the sideway, there are two scenarios: either breakout or break down. So if they break down, make sure you set the stop loss. Just be careful. All right. And Sembcorp Industry and Keppel Corp. Sembcorp Industry and Keppel Corp. Sembcorp Industry also double top. Okay. So that means the price is hitting the peak. The price is at the peak. All right. So again, price may pull back. Okay. If they don't pull back, then they will break out. All right. 所以你可以看到它其实是不上不下，不上不下的话会比较难买。All right. So that's why if they pull back, will be better. But if they don't pull back and they may break out, then you might want to participate on the breakout. But do be careful. Breakout is not for everyone. All right. Breakout strategy is not for everyone. 所以现在有两种状况，其实它在这个超买区超买区，这个股票的价格算蛮贵的，所以它其实是不上不下已经 hit 了 resistance， 应该 pull back， 可是它没有什么 pull back， 所以没有什么 pull back 的话，如果它突破 then 你有可能可以用这个突破的策略来买进了但是这个突破的策略不适合每个人所以你们要注意一下好不好？ And then followed by Keppel Corp, KE, PPE. So Keppel Corp, okay. Keppel Corp look okay, all right, look okay. Because the energy sector is still look okay. And the price pullback, right? So the price begin to pull back. So this is a support level. Support level 是差不多是在7块2毛7块2毛 right? So it's somewhere around $7.20, right? $7.20. Okay. So if we use 100-day moving average, so the price is currently at the 100-day moving average, 差不多是在100天左右。所以100天左右是算 support level 啦。所以如果你要买的话，你可以买一点点。So it's basically near the support level. So if you want to enter, you can enter a small position and make sure you set the stop loss as well. All right, to protect yourself if anything happen. All right, if anything happen, because overall still consider uptrend. Okay, overall still consider uptrend. So long term still uptrend, right? Still look good. There's no sign of what we call that, So the pullback, okay, I think the pullback is quite healthy. Followed by Raffles Medical. Raffles Medical 比较慢 ，okay， 虽然有上一点点，previously they tried to break out, but then the price coming back again, right? So look okay, but a bit slow, right? A bit slow, right? So you might want to put in the watch list, right? Before you take any actions. And what else? Hong Kong stock, okay, Hong Kong stock remain the same, right? If you look at the stock that I mentioned, okay, 那时候也是有讲到阿里巴巴、腾讯 okay, 美团、京东 right? So these are the fundamental good company that already went up a lot, okay, went up a lot, okay. So they went up 90%, okay, as of now. So if you manage to bought at a lower price, like what I mentioned, you might want to consider take some profit, okay, 20% of the profit, okay, or 30% of the profit, all right? Because why? Because the price is overbought. Okay, overbought, and they move in the 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, right? 所以他们的上涨的速度是98%的速度 ，right？ 所以98%的速度的话，有可能 pull back，anytime will pull back 啊。OK，anytime will pull back。98%的速度的话 ，anytime can pull back。All right， so they move up。OK，spike up in the 90 degree conditions. So anything can happen. All right, pullback may happen in any time. The pullback may happen in any time. So that's why I say it is advisable to take some profit. Okay, all right. And then Tencent, same thing as well. All right. So you can see that when Hong Kong market begin to move, it's very fast. Okay, all right. So that's why if you are new, my suggestion to you is that you can consider to explore, okay, this market. Okay, Tencent, right? So Tencent went up how many percent? 90% as well, same as Alibaba. All right, so we can see that the price also overbought, right? So they are the same pattern. Okay, overbought pattern as well. Except BYD didn't move yet, right? So BYD 的话，其实还没有开始哦，刚刚开始 ，right? They just begin, right? They just begin, okay? So I always believe BYD got potentials, okay? I always believe BYD got potentials, right? So BYD I think still got potentials, right? The rest of the tech stock already went up except BYD, right? So you can see that when they pull back very aggressively. All right, so this is a Hong Kong stock market that you need to accept lah. Okay, if you want to participate in the Hong Kong market, so you must know the what we call it, the pullback is very huge. All right, so you must know the technical knowledge before you buy. Okay, so they still have potential. Okay, if let's say the momentum continue, the net resistance will be 320. All right, if they can continue. All right, what else? Chunli. Okay, so I also talk about medical stocks. OK， 你还记得吗？医疗板块的话，香港就很多。OK， 香港就很多，所以其中两个的话，我们可以看这个 AK Medical 1789。OK， 1789。Right, so 1789的话 continue to go up. So the high was 26. So still got a lot of potential. Okay, a lot of potential. All right. So you can see every time when they pull back a lot. So you got to understand the characteristic of the Hong Kong market. Okay, they pull back more than 20%. 它回调通常是回调超过了28%。OK， 回调了过后它就涨，回调了过后它就涨。Alright, so when they went up a lot also. Okay, so you might want to put this in your watch list. And then Chunli Medical 1858. Okay, 1858. Right, so 1858 went up a lot as well. OK， 你还记得吗？每次我讲春丽的话，你们有买吗？你们有买的话，来888 ，OK， 没有买的话就很可惜。All right, so you can see that the price spiked up, OK, with a strong candlestick and followed by a volume. right? So this is a medicals, this is a healthcare sector, all right? So that's why if you look at the sector, okay, it will actually help you, okay? If you look at the sector, right, it will make your life easier so that you know what stock that you want to buy. 可以吗？因为很多散户的话，他们没有看这个板块，所以如果你没有看这个板块的话，哦，你去乱乱买哦，因为如果你乱乱买的话，有可能你会买到已经过时的板块 ，right？ 你买到过时的板块，那你就会被套牢 ，right？ So that's not what we want, okay? So we want to buy when the stock begin to rebound. Okay, still got a lot of potential. The high was 61. Okay, currently the price is still 18 only. So basically, Hong Kong still have a lot of potential. Okay, a lot of potential. 所以讲到这个恒生指数哈，其实香港股票还是算低哦，还是算低。可是你要等它 pull back 嘛，哦 ，you must wait for the pullback. If you don't wait for the pullback, okay, what will happen? All right, you buy too high, okay, the pullback is more than 10%, right? The pullback is more than 10%, right? So this is a characteristic of the Hong Kong stock, 可以吗？ And followed by US stocks, US stock, okay, aviations. So 我们看这个 BA， 波音 ，okay， 波音 ，right？ So 波音的话也是开始涨哦，开始涨 ，right？ So the price actually break through from here, and then they continue to rebound, right? They continue to rebound. Okay, so we can put this into watch list, right? And then when they pull back, okay, possibly here, so that you can continue to monitor, huh? So if you look at the candlestick, very small candlestick, it look like the buyer keep buying, 庄家一直在买。如果你看这个蜡烛的话，小小的蜡烛，庄家其实一直在买他们没有意思要卖了，所以他庄家一直在买的话，其实你没有机会进场，所以你没有机会进场的话，你就要找位置进了所以你找到适合的价位的时候，你就可以进场。So based on the candlestick, right, is a small candlestick, look like the buyer keep buying, okay, they have no intention to sell. So when that happens, it's very difficult for you to buy. So that's why as a knowledge investor, okay, if you have knowledge, okay, then you can find a way to buy lah. So that's why I say price action is important to tell you what level to enter, okay, to tell you what level to enter. All right. So these are the creations, and then the rest, PDD or First Solar. We take a look. The Solar still strong, okay. So the Solar, okay. Previously mentioned about this stock many months, okay, because strong uptrend. So the pullback and rebound strongly, right? So 21%, okay, 21%, right? So this is First Solar. So what about your stock? Okay, 今天讲的比较长, alright. So today I talk a little bit more, okay. So what about your stock? You might want to share with me your stock. Type your stock in the Q&A session. Q&A session. RH Petrogas 不好啊，之前已经讲过了丢，所以不好就不要去动它，不然浪费时间。Right, so it's obviously downtrend, okay? Obviously downtrend, alright? So we don't buy, okay? Because 庄家已经出场了，之前已经讲过，庄家出场就比较难做，可以吗？ And then CSE Global. CSE Global. CSE Global 这个是什么 sector? IT, technology, not so good this one. So the price gap down, okay, I think the price may continue to go down some more. So be careful. All right, be careful. Huh? So we can see the price break down from here. Okay, 44 cents previously. Once they break below, then the downtrend continue. Right, so you got to be careful. Tesla TSM. Tesla TSM. TSLA. TSLA. TSLA obviously is downtrend. Okay, obviously is downtrend. All right. Is there any support? You support ma TSL. 看一下 weekly chart. Okay, we take a look the weekly chart. Then from there we see how. Right. So currently they near the support level. Okay, they near support level. All right. Is there any chance to rebound? Is there any chance to rebound? Right. 50 day. Okay. 100 day. So obviously still downtrend, but look like the price may have a technical rebound. Okay, technical rebound. So you just need to be careful because the stock is still downtrend, right? So the price downtrend means technical rebound. Okay, before they break through, right? So the support level is quite obvious, is $100. So 100块是它的 support level 啦。Okay, support level is at the $100. So remember, if the price break below $100, what will happen? So the price may continue. All right. So now it's still downtrend. Okay, but a technical rebound may happen. All right. AAL. AAPL. Take a look, Keppel. So the price is okay. The price is near support level also, right? And then they try to what? They try to rebound as well. Let me see. Right. So they are at these what we call it critical support, actually can consider critical support, but look like the price rebound and try to stay above 130. So as long as the price can stay above 130, I think still okay. All right. If not, then you have to be careful, especially when you trade midterm lah, especially when you trade midterm. Right. So the next level will be $1.20 and $1.16. So there are many levels of the support. Okay, 121 and 115. 121 and 115. Right. Now Hong Kong market has gone up. Can we still buy? Don't buy now lah. Wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. S56. S56 是什么股票？ Samudra not bad actually, right? But hitting resistance, okay? Hitting resistance as well. Profit taking. So we do talk about the Samudra in the Telegram group, right? So currently near the resistance, okay? Strong resistance, I think $1, right? It's a profit taking. And then Best World International. Best World, yes, previously talked about it. What happened to this stock? Let me see support here. Support 是在这边差不多是1.92这样 ，support 是差不多是在1.92 ，right? So the price breakthrough 1.84, then after that they pull back. Okay, a very strong pullback, very strong pullback. So 如果你注意一下，如果 as long as the price still stay above 1.92, okay, maybe still got chance. Okay, maybe still got chance. Because why? This stock is quite popular last time. Okay, this stock is quite popular. 2269 2269 Wuxi Bio healthcare sector, very good, right? Still got potential. Previous high was 147, right? So in fact, there are quite a lot of Hong Kong stock got potentials. Okay. Last time, before COVID, okay, or during the COVID, they went up, and now they pull back and rebound. Okay. So the rebound is very strong. Okay, more than 100%, right? More than 100%. So the pullback also strong. Okay, the pullback also strong. So you can see that the candlestick show that the price is already overbought as well. Generally, I think Hong Kong stock market is overbought. So if you want to buy, like what I mentioned, is that wait for the pullback, because they give you 2 months to buy, 2 months. I also talk about Hong Kong market 2 months, more than 2 months actually. Okay, so if you don't buy, okay, you miss out the boat. Okay, then you wait for the pullback. Alright, you wait for the pullback, 可以吗？即使他给你2个星期买香港股票，可是如果你没有买的话，现在是属于超买超买的话，随时都会这个回调等它回调的时候你才买可以吗？ Nanofilm, yep. So Nanofilm, we talk about this stock. So Nanofilm also got potential short-term rebound, maybe short-term rebound. The stock is still downtrend. The stock is still downtrend. All right. So that's why the pullback may happen in, for example, 1.67. Okay, is a resistance. You must know when to take profit. All right. Because you can see the pullback, it went up, rebound, pullback, rebound, maybe, right? 可以吗？1.6毛7是 resistance， 所以如果你还没有进场的话，有可能是到差不多6%First resources not really good actually, right? So that's why I take out from my watch list. So first resources 已经不是很好不是很好 alright. Okay, but the price near the support level, alright. So each time when they hit support level, they rebound. So will that happen? So question mark So 如果你们要进场的话，其实你们可以考虑，但是要 set stop loss 要 set stop loss 可以吗？ Right, 因为 there is a setup. Okay, there is a setup. Alright, setup. So if you enter, make sure you set support level Alright. 扬子江 Finance 也不是很好 Alright. So how is it look like? So obviously still downtrend, okay, downtrend, but you see when they rebound, they pull back. They rebound, then they pull back. Rebound, pull back. All right. So the buyer is not coming in yet. Okay, the buyer is not coming in yet. All right. Power School. Power School 是什么 stocks? Power School Holding. What sector is this? Technology sector, software applications. All right. 6-month period. Okay. 6-month period, consider uptrend. Okay. This stock look nice. Yep. So this is the stock that we want to buy. All right. So 6 months, 1 year. Okay. 6-month uptrend, not bad. Still got potential. Right. Still got potential. So if you change to 1 year chart, you see, basically, the stock went up for 6 months only. Okay. All right. So still got chance. Although, if you look at the NASDAQ, it's still downtrend, but this stock is moving up. All right. So it's interesting. Okay. It's interesting. Okay. PWSC. So PWSC. All right. So you might want to write down, put into your watch list, and then next week we can review again. Okay, what else? Power School. AFL. AFL. Okay, what sector is this one? Sector financial services, insurance, life. All right, not bad, Darren. Okay, quite a nice chart as well. So these are the stock that we want to buy actually. All right, these are the stock that we want to buy. Okay, AFL, uptrend, and what else? UPS. Okay, UPS. United Partial, how is it look like? Oh, okay, yeah, the stock is quite volatile. How is it look like? Let me see. So previously they went from, yeah, this stock is quite volatile actually, right? May not be suitable for everyone. So a bit, where's the entry point? Is there any entry point? The support supposed to be here, right? And then we have the resistance somewhere around 186.所以 UPS 的话，它的波动比较大一点，所以会比较难做。OK，but 如果你做对地方的话，164块是差不多是 support level。But you can see that you know, the trend is downtrend. Okay, every time when you hit resistance, you got to know when to exit 啦，可以吗？ Marathon is very cheap. Marathon is crypto. Crypto is still have a lot of problem. All right. So if you buy, make sure you know when to sell. Don't hold. Okay. Don't hold. All right. Don't hold. So obviously they went up a lot recently. Okay. And then resistance is somewhere here. 差不多 resistance 是6块2毛 ，OK， 6块2毛 ，alright。So previously was lower low, okay. Previous low was around $5.20, and then the recent low was $3. Alright, $3. So may not be suitable for everyone, all right, because crypto got a lot of issue right now, okay, but depend on your objective, all right, depend on your objective, okay. So when you enter, remember you must know when to sell, all right, because low can go lower, okay, low can go lower. Okay, ma. So right now they already went up, okay, they went up a lot, okay, they went up around 100%. So anytime may pull back, huh? Anytime may pull back. XGX. Let me see XGX. XGX, what happened? XGX, yeah, quite obvious price pullback today because hitting the resistance. Oh, so you're hitting resistance, the price may pull back. Okay, so if you look at the XGX, 也是比较难做 right? So the pullback 7%, pullback 7%. Every time they pull back 7%, rebound 3%, rebound 4%. So based on the profit, okay, it doesn't make sense, okay, unless you want to keep for dividend. All right. So if you are looking for price appreciation, then XGX might not be suitable, right? The pullback 7%, down 7%. Every time pullback 7%, rebound only 3%. So that's why may not be, it does not make sense for price appreciation strategy. More on dividend, more on dividend. Okay, ma. Top Glove. 很久没有看这个股票 long time never see this stock, right? Let's take a look, okay? So obviously still very weak, okay? Obviously still very weak, right? And what happened to the price? The price is trending down, okay? Sloping down, okay? Sloping down, right? So support level where? Support level 这边 okay? 有可能 move in the symmetrical triangle, pull down also possible, and rebound also possible. So 你要注意了 huh? 你要注意 alright? Okay, so that's all from the stock analysis. So I apologize to everyone if I not be able to cover your stock. Please forgive me because of the time limitations. 请大家原谅或者是体谅，如果没有跟你研究你的股票的话，因为是时间不够的关系了Alright, 所以下个星期我们再来。Okay, next week we come back again. Alright, so that you can let me know the stock again. 可以吗？ Alright. Okay, so we take a look the slide here right now. Now, what is the problem that the most of the retail investor have is because, okay, they want to buy the stock for long term, okay? So if you have this perception to buy the stock in the long term, all right, then what happens is that the stock that you bought may have some problem because business could change. Due to the internet era, there are a lot of competitors. If you don't review, okay, the company, all right, then the stock may be going down. Revenue may be affected. So these are some of the stock that I keep repeating so that I want you to remember, okay, don't repeat this mistake again. And there are many stock delisted: Noble Group, M1, NOL, Midas, Fiber, Ezion, Yuzu, Highflux, Blue. There are many stock delisted. I think sound familiar to you. I believe some of you traded this stock and got, stuck So I don't want that to happen to you, and therefore the solution that I recommended is the price action solutions. Now, why price action solution? Basically, it will help us to spot the patterns. Now, if you look at the human being, we have a happy face, we have a sad face. So if you are experienced enough, all right, when you look at your friend happy, okay, then you can talk happy thing with him or talk funny thing with him. But when you look at your friend, the face is so sad, then you must comfort him or comfort her. So similarly for a stocks, there are different pattern. All right, breakout you buy, breakdown you sell. Okay, a lot of people, they don't look at the pattern, they keep buying when the stock price is selling down. Okay, it's like when you look at your friend's face is angry, but you keep talking fun with him, all right, then he become more angry. So again, okay, stock market, when we look at the chart, they actually show us the real data. When we look at the chart, all right, so when we look at this chart, basically this candlestick show us 4 informations, namely high price, low price, opening price, closing price. All these informations are the real data. So if you don't look at the real data, where you want to look for the informations? So we are analyzing the real data to find out the chart pattern, because the prices that you look at here is actually driven by the human psychology behavior. So every one of us receive different informations, okay, and then we react to the stock market through the chart. So if you are experienced enough or you want to discover, okay, how to look at the chart pattern, that is have to be go through the price actions. Okay, why? Because it is more effective by looking at the data.